Hello, good morning. So today is the day 3 of our journey. Now we have left the hostel and going towards the center. The ferry is at 9:30, so we'll take the ferry to Gudvangen. Then from Gudvangen we'll take the bus. The bus is pre-booked and so is the ferry. So before we catch the ferry, as I said you that we will be going to the Flam Railway Museum. So it's an old museum that tells the story about the history of railway in Flam. So we'll visit there and we'll catch the ferry at 9:30. So today is a cloudy day. Actually, it is not very sunny, and I'm not sure it is going to be sunny or not, but let's see. So I think half of the way we'll get to know. The weather might change. Now we are at the ferry station. You can see in my back. So this is the ferry that we are going to take to Gudvangen. This is the one. So the museum I was talking about, we have gone there, but the thing is the museum will open today, but it is not at 9. Normally it opens at 9, but today it will open at 10. So we'll miss the chance to see inside the museum. So we'll wait for the ferry now and we'll go to Gudvangen. And the weather is also clearing up. The sun is now shining a bit. I think by the time we get to the ferry and we'll start our journey, it will be sunny again. So let's see how it goes. So now we have started our journey towards Gudvangen. So as I've shown you that the view of the fjord is very beautiful. In another 15 minutes or so we'll stop at Orland, and that viewpoint I have shown you I think in my previous video. Now we are approaching towards Orland. So the viewpoint, this Tagastein viewpoint, the route to the viewpoint starts from here. So this is how it looks. It is a bit cloudy. If it is sunny, then it would have look much better. So now we are cruising, and if you see there is another way towards this. This goes to Bergen and to the international seas, and to my left it goes to Gudvangen. So it's a kind of V shape that goes here. reached Gulbangan. So our ferry parked here. It will again go back to Flam, and now disembarking is in progress. Then they will board, and I'll show you the overall picture of Gulbangan. Then if you see, this is a souvenir shop, and all our hotel and restaurants there. So these are reindeer furs. If you see, original reindeer fur. It gets available in Norway also, in Oslo also, but here it's a bit cheaper as compared to Oslo. And there are different winter clothes also, and it is very expensive as compared to normal winter wear, because it created using the original furs of mink and fox, blue fox. Okay, so that's why it is so expensive. This is the place that normally the shuttle buses to Bergen are available, but we have booked the express bus, so it will be coming to direct the highway. So we need to go to the highway, the E16 highway that connects Oslo to Bergen. So it will be around 300 meters from here, but we have around 2 hours left with us till the bus arrives. So we'll go to that side, and there is a biking house. We'll shoot some photos there, and I'll show you. And then around 1:20 we'll go to the bus stoppage and to catch the bus. So the view here is quite amazing. If you see the river that I have shown you at Flam, the same kind of river flows here, and the water is crystal clear. So this bridge connects to E16 highway. The highway is the opposite side of where I stand now. So we'll go there in couple of hours. So now we have entered the Viking village. So they have a guided tour around 1:20, but as our bus leaves as 1:30, so we can take the guided tour. So we'll just roam around the village and maybe shoot some bow and arrow and then leave. So the ticket costs around 200 per person. So we'll just roam around and leave because we cannot take the guided tour. Okay, so I'll show you the village.
Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah.
So this shows how Vikings lived in ancient days. Their rooms, you can see there are reindeer furs inside, and it's kind of museum. No one lives here as such, but they have made it in a way that you can relive the history, or you can see how they have lived for thousands of years. And I think these are some souvenirs that you can also buy from here. These are the rooms. There are some, I don't know, I think it's a horn of mountain goat. It looks like it. बढ़िया मारल आग आटा मार
There you go.
It started raining now, so we'll be leaving for the bus stop in few minutes. So we are just waiting for the rain to be gone. We have one umbrella, but it is not sufficient for two of us with all our luggages. So we are now reached our hotel. So after we deboarded the bus, so it was raining and I could not make the vlog. So directly we have come to the hotel, and from the hotel I'm doing the vlog. So we are staying at Augustine Hotel. It's near to the Brigham. So this is how our room looks. This is the entry, and if you see, I can show you the corridor also. Okay, so this is the entry, this is the bath, and we have opted for a queen bedroom. So this is how it looks. View from the hotel not so good, but again we are not staying long. We are staying for one night only, so it's okay with us actually. So with the price that we have booked, it comes with complimentary breakfast and the coffee. So we are just getting freshened up. We'll go to Brigham and have something to eat, because we have not had our lunch in Gudvangen. So we'll get freshened up and we'll go for some lunch. So these are Norwegian king crabs. Now we are walking towards Fløibanen to take the train to Fløyen Mountain. So normally you can reach that by hiking and train. So we'll take the train both ways because it's windy and I think it is going to rain. So we'll take the train ride to the Fløyen Mountain and back. So this is the ticket counter. we are going to take our ticket. If you want to hike, then there is a way just left to the ticket counter. You can take that and hike up to the mountain. You can see people are going hiking up to the mountain. So we got our ticket now. There is an entry. You can scan your ticket here. It will open. This is the Fløibanen. Now we are back from Fløyen. So as you can see, this is how Bergen looks when it is a sunny day, but most of the time it is rainy or cloudy. This is how Fløibanen looked. I think from 1918 to 1954. This is how it looked those days. So these are the restaurants that is on the Fløyen mountain. So these restaurants are still there, and it is there since 1920, and it is very well maintained, and it just looks like the same as it looked like in 1920. Here this photo is taken on 1918. And this is from 1914. The construction work is going on. So it's for transporting rocks to the harbor. Okay, now we are back to the hotel, and we had our dinner at one Indian restaurant called. Now I'll show you the corridor of our hotel. So the food was nice, I would say, and the weather is not so nice, but it's Bergen, so most of the year or most of the days in a year it's like that only. So it rains suddenly, and the forecast is also not good for tomorrow. It says there will be a thunderstorm that means there will be rain. So it's good that we have completed our journey to the Mount Fluent today. So that's all for today. So we'll meet tomorrow, and I'm not sure about the plan. So depends on the rain and all. So we'll see what will be in tomorrow. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care.